Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do some under eyes with you today. You know that I am always on the lookout for something new, better, and something that works for our under eyes. And I'm 63 at this point, so mine are not like really great. So come on, I want to show you how I have found a way to make them look better. Now, when I was in Ulta, let me just say, I found that they have like little samples of things. So when you go in, ask for the samples. I had no idea that they had samples. And so I did try one of these, but I tried the other few things. So I want to show you. Right now, I haven't done anything with my under eye. See this discoloration here and here. It's so hard. It is. I understand. When I'm 63 years old, so, I mean, I'm going to have some things. But I watched Angie Hot and Flashy, I guess it was last week, and she did a video about under eyes. And it just rocked my world. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to give this a try. So, let's see how it works for me. So I searched around in Ulta and I found this. This is called Bioma. I don't know, maybe you've used it or not. I don't know. It's the first time I had tried it. And it says Deep Puff Brightening Eye Gel. So I thought, heck, I'll give it a try. Okay? So we're going to use this and I'm going to pair it with the Dew Effect. That's what I've been doing, putting these two together. And man, what a difference in my under eyes. Now, discoloration, but we're going to do what Angie did on her video, and it works so well. And she and I are like a month in age apart. I don't know if I'm older or she's older, but we are the same age. So these two right now are amazing together. I like it because it has a little squirt top. Yeah. And so what I do is basically put a little bit on my finger. See that? I like this because it's a gel and it doesn't feel like it's going to run down your fingers, right? Now, the Dew Effect is a little bit different. It might run down your fingers just a tad. So you want to take just a little bit of this and just mix it with it. I like mixing the two together. Now, why did I come up with this combination? I don't know, but it seems to work for me. You really want to moisturize your under eyes. And this combination I have found to be perfect for me. And so that's why I'm sharing it today. Because, you know, if it's a secret, then you don't know how to do it, right? Oh, I love the way this feels. Now, guess what? You do need to let it set and sink in. And then once it does, you're going to be ready to apply whatever you're going to put on your under eyes. But I'm going to show you how I do mine, okay? So this is what we're going to do. This is a recommendation that she stated was perfect for our under eyes to use. Now, I do love a nice, good color corrector. And this one is by Dermatology. And I will list everything below of the colors and that thing. But you know what? I want you to be able to see how this works. And then we're going to add this. This is going to be our concealer. This is the Haas Labs. And I just happen to have the same thing that she did. So I wanted to show you how to get rid of this, the troughs. I call them troughs. Do you call them troughs? I do. But less is more. So let's get to it. Okay, this is my Dermatology. This is a color corrector. It is, and it's brightening. So what I like to do is, you can see how this has a cooling. This is one of those cooling, you can move it around. But what I usually do is just do one little tiny squeeze. See that? Not much, okay? Now, this is where I like to apply this. I apply it here, on this side, and over here, they're in different places. Do you know what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? I love using this, and you can use this just by itself, okay? But I want you to see how to use a color corrector. And I do like to use my fingers as I do this. Now, when I go to put on my actual concealer, I love to use just, a brush. And I'll be showing you that brush. See how this does? Oh, it just brightens. That's what we want. And come over here and do this other side. Oh, wow. See, I don't have to use as much. One side is worse than the other, but I need to match the two, so let's do just a little bit. Now, you can do it like this. I would rather be able to use my finger to do it because I can put it exactly where I want it and I can press it in. That's what I like. Now, you're going to have to let this set for a few minutes and let it adhere to your skin. I do love it. It's absolutely gorgeous on the skin, but sometimes you may have to come back and add just a little bit. I have a lot of allergies, and I am just dealing with that on a daily basis. So today was a little bit better, but most of the time, I'm just going to kind of blend all this out. Okay, let it set, girlfriend, and then we add the concealer. Okay, I think this is set long enough. So now we're going to use Haus Labs. This is the color 11. It's the one that's perfect for me. And we're going to use Angie's Hot and Flashy A506 brush. Love this brush. So what you do, this is 23 shades. So there's guaranteed to be something for you, okay? Everybody has their own distinct color, right? So what I'm going to do is take a tiny bit right here. She said place it here and here. Okay? Wow, that's not a whole lot. Not a whole lot at all. But the key is you want to blend this out. So less is more. So we're going to start here and we're going to bring it straight down using this brush. Love it. And the whole idea is less is more out here. Because when we smile, remember we have a lot of lines. I do. And so you want to concentrate most of it right here in this area. And then just blend it out. Best you can, girl. When I did this the other night, I was so shocked. I couldn't believe it. I was like, and wait till we set it with some setting powder, which is not a high-end setting powder. We're going to use NYX to set this with. And she used Maybelline Fit Me, I think. And I went and bought that, but I haven't tried it yet. Look at that versus this side. What do you think? Y'all, I just love the way this brightens. And when I look in my magnification mirror, which we shouldn't, most of the time we should not look at that, okay? Because that is magnifying it like 10 times. And that is not what people are going to see when they walk up to you on the street. Now, I do love to press this in just a little bit with my fingers. I'm one of those kind of people. Yes, I am. So we're going to press this in, and we are going to use setting powder, a loose setting powder. And let me show you, this is what made the difference. The way she does the powder and how it sets. It is amazing. And I was shocked when I did it for myself. I was like, oh my goodness, why didn't I think of this? So let me grab my stuff and we're going to set it. Now we're going to use this. This is NYX. And this is a mineral finishing powder, and it is a loose powder. So what I did the other night was I took the lid off and I added just a little bit in here like she said. And then she recommended the BK Beauty 108 brush, and she said to generously add the powder to this. And I thought, oh my God, that seems like a lot. But you know what? I was totally shocked. And I want you to be totally shocked too. So I know you're sitting there thinking, I am never going to put that kind of powder on my face. Okay, well, it's all in here now. You can tap it off. You see it flying through the air, right? So what she said do next is come in and we are going to, we're not swiping it. We're going to press it into place. Press it, press it. And I was so shocked the first time I did this. I could not believe how well it worked. And listen, it's got enough powder in it. It does. So you don't have to go back in. So press it in, just like this. And you can come across your nose, your forehead, wherever you feel like you might need some powder. And she did not like us looking into a magnification mirror, but sometimes I just do. But when I look in the magnification mirror now, it's like amazing. Amazing. It's so soft. It's so light. I just loved it. And I think you will too. At 63, you know what, girl? You might as well go ahead and try it. You should. You might as well go ahead and try it because you never know. You never know. Now, the other powder that she used was a Fix Me by Maybelline, and I don't have it laying here, but that's another one. And I did purchase it, but I'm not quite sure it's the right color, so I'm going to play around with that one. I knew this next one was perfect. Okay, so, and I will list everything. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Absolutely love it. The only thing that I will do now is I'm going to grab Cheeky Love Letter by Benefit. And this is not a cream. This is powder. Yes, you can do it, girl. You can. I promise you. What you want to do is take a brush, any kind of brush you have that's handy. Here's one I'm going to grab here. And sometimes I get wild and crazy and I do like a swirly on all of them. So let's just do that. We got all colors. Tap it in your hand and then bring it right through here on each side. Oh my goodness. And yes, I love to bring it over my nose. That is so darn pretty. So, so pretty. And then the last thing that I do to seal the deal with everything is I'm going to use my Revolution Fix and Glow Dewy Finish. One of my favorite setting sprays. Because it does have a beautiful, you see everything kind of settles there at the bottom. So make sure you get it. You can get it on Amazon. It's hard to find in the stores anymore. But I'm taking a Moist Beauty Blender, spray it, and watch. Watch how it just brightens up your whole entire face. Plus, it's setting your T's on, right? Yes. Which is where most of the time we have it breaking down, right? And it smells divine, too. It really does. But don't give up on your under eye game. This has been a game changer for me, and I absolutely love it, and I think you will, too. Give it a try. Less is more. So, look at that. And I'm going to have some bags. I'm 63. We just are. But it brightens up the face. It just gives you this nice, beautiful glow. You should try it. Just give it a try. You never know. You may fall in love with it. All right. I hope y'all have a great day. And guess what? Please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. And I love it when you come and hang out with me. And let me know what you think about this. Okay? I'll see you next week. See you later.